Good blades are key to your wiper's performance. In turn, give you high visibility while driving in rain and snow to help keep you safe. Fact is, all wiper blades wear out. It's usually pretty obvious when you see streaking on the windshield, cracks in the rubber, or a low wear indicator. Or hear a chattering sound as they wipe. It's time to replace them. Over time, the sun's rays dry out the rubber, which creates splits and cracks. And icy windshields can tear the wiper blades. So be sure to completely thaw the ice before turning them on. Before you replace your wipers, wait. If they're relatively new, a simple cleaning may make them new again. Wipe each blade with Motorcraft windshield washer fluid. If that still doesn't work, it may be time to schedule a service checkup. Replacing your wiper blades about every 12 months is suggested. However, that can depend on where you live, as colder climates may require replacement sooner. Call to schedule an appointment to see our factory-trained technicians.